Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start in the Contacts app, open it now and don't delay. Once open, tap the menu icon, 3 lines, then choose Settings to access storage controls. Make sure you have at least one account added, like Google or Samsung, because that defines where contacts can live. If you need, add an account via Settings Accounts. This gives you a target location. You're setting up the destination now, so the move will be smooth and reversible if needed. Next, export the contacts to create a transferable file. Go to Manage Contacts and pick Export to VCF. Select all or just the contacts you want to move. Save that VCF file to device storage or an SD card so you can import it into the new account. Once saved, confirm the file path, typically downloads or root storage, because you'll navigate there when importing. This step isolates your data, so you can safely change where contacts are stored. Now import the VCF into your chosen account. Contacts Manage Contacts Import, then pick the account you prepared. Navigate to the saved VCF file and start the import. Wait until sync completes. Once imported, verify by switching the contacts display to the new account and spot check several entries. If everything looks right, remove the old device stored copies or change default saving location. Troubleshooting tip: if imports fail, ensure the account is enabled for contacts sync and retry after toggling sync off and on.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.